After seeing a maximization problem in Ready-mix problem, let us see a minimization model, that is the diet problem. In this, a farm uses at least 800 pounds of special feed daily. This is the total weight, at least 800 lb. This is the at least weight, total weight, and then feed is a mix of soybean and corn. So this is the table which is given to us, that is corn and soybean are the raw materials which contain this much amount of protein and fiber in them, and corn costs this much dollar per lb, and soybean 0.90. Now the question continues as the dietary requirements of the special feed are at least 30% protein and at least 30% protein and at most 5% fiber. Goal is to determine the minimum cost feed mix. This is the cost. We need to minimize this cost, which we shall get by taking these two mix. So we consider x1 as the amount of corn in the daily mix, x2 as the amount of soya bean, and then our objective is to minimize this cost. If we are using 1 pound of corn, then it will cost us $0.30. So if we take x1 pound of corn, then it will cost us 0.3 x1. Similarly, if we take this as x2, then this will cost us 0.90 into x2. So this is the total function that we need to minimize. So the question said that at least the total thing should be at least 800 lb. That means the total amount of corn and soya bean should be greater than or equal to 800. 800 should be the least, and this value, the total value, should be more than 800, that is greater than equal to 800. Similarly, the amount of protein included in x1 lb of corn and x2 lb of corn is this much. How do we know this? We know from this table. So amount of protein we need to consider, where this is x1 and this is x2. So protein is x1 into 0.09 and x2 into 0.60. Similarly, fiber is 0.02 into x1, 0.06 into x2, because these are the per unit values. If we take 1 lb of corn, then this much lb of protein and fiber are there. The table is saying that. So if we take x1 and x2, then we will get this much protein in the total x1 and x2 mix of corn and soya bean respectively, and this thing should be 30% of the total mix. It is written here, at least 30% protein. The special feed must be at least 30% protein and at most 5% fiber. So at least means the value should be greater than or equal to 30%, that is 0.3, and at most 5% means this value can have maximum value of 5%, or the other should be less, means this one should be less than equal to the 5%. So this is the total amount of fiber and it is less than equal to 5% of total. X1 plus X2 is the total daily mix. So we get our OR model like, we need to minimize the objective function this, where the constraints are these three, and this is the non-negativity constraint. If we plot the graph, we will get as this: the constraint number 1, 2, and 3 are drawn. This is the constant number 1. This is the line for constant number 2, and this is the line for constant number 3. And after solving the linear inequalities, after taking the reference point, any reference point, whether it origin or any other point, we come to know that this gray portion is the feasible region. Now we can see, if this line was not there, if this dotted line was not there, then the feasible region is an unbounded region. Generally, if like this, we need to maximize something, then since the feasible region is unbounded, we won't be able to find out the maximum value, because every time we increase the value of x1 or x2, we will get a new value of z, which is again the maximum. But here the main question is to minimize. So we will draw the line z with slope minus 0.9 by 0.3. We get a slope of something similar to this line. We draw it, and then we need to minimize. That is, if we go this side, it is maximizing. If we go this side, then it is minimizing. So we are following the down direction, and then we need to minimize. From the drawing, we can again have some parallel lines or contour plots, which will show that this is the value of z for different constants. And ultimately we can draw a line passing through this, which has slope which is same as this line of the minimizing z objective function, and thus we get to know that this is the optimal point where we will get the minimum z value. So this point is x1 equals to, it is written here, x1 equals to 470 lb, x2 equals to 329.4 lb, where z equals to $437.67. This is the minimum cost that we need to have, and that also satisfies the constants that were given in the question, when the values of x1 and x2, that is amount of corn and soya bean, are this much and this much respectively.